Hi everyone, my name is Ajay, and in this video I'm going to share my reflection on project I worked on recently. The name of project was the Student Networking and Job Fair organized at Ravensbourne University. The aim of this event was simple but important: to connect students with employers, help them improve their career skills, and raise funds to provide education resources for unprivileged children. We want to bring in at least 50 companies, get 500 students to attend, and make sure everyone worked away with new knowledge, connection, and opportunities. I wasn't just one day. It wasn't just one day event. It was a carefully planned project involving budgeting, marketing, risk management, and a teamwork from start to finish. First of all, we defined our SMART objectives. Things like invite a minimum of 50 companies within 2 weeks and achieve 500 student attendees, and through a 1 week promotion campaign actually. So we then mapped everything on the out in the work breakdown structure, so we could see all the tasks from goal setting, volunteering, recruitment to technical setup and post event cleanup. We used a Gantt chart to keep track timeline and estimatic to decide who was responsible for each task. So it helped us really well. So we also have a communication plan, so we stayed connected with each other, with stakeholders, using weekly meetings, emails, even emergency Skype calls we needed. So if I took back if I look back how we organized the project, and I really can see why it worked well. So here I would look like to talk everything about that. So we choose a metric team structure, which mean people could report to both their functional area and the project lead. This gave us a flexibility. For example, volunteers could work under the volunteer manager, but also help the project manager with the event they need. We put a lot of thought into risk management. We knew we could face problems like technical failure, budget overruns, over recruiters availability issue. So we created a backup plans like having spare technical equipments, flexibility time slots, and a hybrid event option of the remote recruiters. One decision I am proud of was setting up on the online registration platform. It was really good. So this made it easy for both students and employer to sign up, and it gave us a accurate data to track attendance. We also worked hard on the promotion. Our marketing manager ran camping on the social media, while we did university-wide email blast and classroom announcements. On the day of event, thing ran smoothly because of the preparations. Every team member knew their role, and we were ready to handle last minute issues. So we all of us were trained, all of us know about plans. So I am proudly saying that they were really well. They followed my instructions as we planned. They did really well. Talking about learning, the project taught me a lot, not just about the organizing an event, but about the project management as a whole. If I talk about challenges, there were many, but tackled all of them. One of biggest challenge was time pressure. We had a tight schedule. Every delay in one task could push back other. So we also faced budget limit, with only 5,000 spent. We had to carefully with every pound. So finding cost effective suppliers, negotiating good deals. So it was also a big challenge for us. Another challenge was getting recruiters to commit. So many had a busy schedule, so we had to flexible and offer online participation through Microsoft Teams. So that was such challenges so we faced. We also use amazing strategies to overcome all that challenges. So to handle time pressure, we followed the Gantt chart closely, had regularly check-ins to see if we were on track. For the budget, our finance manager constantly reviewed expenses and looked for savings like reducing decoration cost, using a university facility for free to get recruiters on the board. Our sponsorship manager build strong relationship and keep communication open, showing them the value of participating in our event. So that was really amazing. Actually, it was an amazing experience to have challenges, and all the challenges has been overcome with the great strategies. So it happened with a good team. Here I would like to talk about my overall learning from this project. From this project, I learned the project management in the really about planning ahead and adapting quickly. You're gonna have the perfect plan on the paper, but thing will always change. So you need to backup options. As we know that planning is uncertain, so we also have to build our mindset. It can change on one another step, so we have to ready all the time. So I also saw how clear roles and responsibility make a big difference. Our asymmetrics avoid confusion because everyone knew exactly what they were responsible for. Communication was another key takeaway, and weekly meeting kept and aligned, but it was quickly as need calls and chats that solved problems before they got bigger. Finally, I learned the measuring success through KPI like attendance rate, job offers made, fundraised, and helped us see the real impact of the fact. In my future career, there is something I need to add more about future. Because it's really important that what we learn and how we implement in our futures. So in my future I will implement all that learnings. I will learn. I am managing events. I have managed events, leading a team and working on the business projects. I will applying all these lessons. First of all, start with clear objectives and measurable tasks. So everything was measurable, everything was tracked as planned. As we planned, we did. So use took tools like a VWS, Gantt charts, and RSC metric for structures. All these tools are really amazing to manage everything in the track what we want to do. So we can track by using all these structures. Keep communication frequent and open. Good communication is very important. As I recently told that my team was really good, so that happened because communication was really well. So everyone followed my instructions, so we had good communication. So I would carry forward all these learnings in my future. So always prepare for risks and backups. So this one is really important for me because backup is important every time. Everything can be changed. A plan can be changed anywhere, so we need to ready all the time. Track result with KPI and KPI to learn improve next time. So key performance area is really important to know what we need to do and what is our responsibilities, what are our roles. So it is necessary to know. I will implement all these lessons in my future goals. Thank you.